Welcome to the video where we discuss a common problem that developers may encounter when working with incomplete type syntax in C++. The problem we're diving into involves forward declaring a type within a namespace and running into issues when trying to specify the expected namespace using the incomplete type syntax. It can be quite frustrating when you're trying to navigate these intricacies of the language. But fear not, we'll break it down step by step for you. The solution to this problem lies in the specific rules outlined in the latest C++ standard. According to the standard, when using an elaborate type specifier with a fully qualified name, the lookup is restricted to types only. In simpler terms, if you're specifying a namespace while forward declaring a type, the declaration of the class must already be visible at that point. This is reiterated in the standard, with a clear example provided to illustrate this concept. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your code behaves as expected and avoids any compilation errors related to incomplete type syntax. In summary, navigating the complexities of incomplete type syntax and namespaces in C++ can be a bit tricky, but with a clear understanding of the rules outlined in the C++ standard, you can tackle these issues effectively. We hope this video has shed some light on this common problem and provided you with a solid solution to address it in your own code. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding, and until next time,